That's moody, look at that. Yo, my name is Bradley Aston and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you very quickly about my secret weapon when it comes to my filmmaking and my photography, which is this guy. This is the atmospheric aerosol, and it's basically like haze in a can. Simple as that, really nice and easy to use. This is what helps you get those really nice light beams and really nice hazy effect on your images. Now I don't use this for my YouTube setups like I just have, but I use it for a lot of moody photography. So I'll put some examples on now of some stuff that I took this week. These are examples with and without the haze, so you can see what a difference it makes. But the real superpower for this is when it comes to video, it just creates a flat image. It really softens your shadows and really helps bloom those highlights just a little bit and helps soften the whole image. So if you're using a beginner DSLR or a beginner camera like I shoot on a Canon 6D Mark II, and it is by no means the best camera in the world. It's got its flaws like every camera, but the one thing it doesn't have is Canon log or any sort of log. So what I've done instead is I've got custom settings in there that I use. If you'd like to know what those are, drop me a comment down below and I'll let you know, and I'll make a video about it, who knows. But the moment I started using this, I instantly started getting better results because it made the image a lot more flat and easier to manipulate. Now, don't get me wrong, you could 100% go and buy a haze machine. I think you can get a haze machine with the fluid for about £100. And these are, I think they're about £30. I think they're about £30 a can. You can bulk buy them. I buy them in bulk, and when you do, then obviously the price comes down considerably. But why choose this over a haze machine? Well, one, a haze machine isn't the lightest thing to carry around. Now, I'm a run and gun filmmaker. I don't get a chance to actually set up a set really unless I've planned it in advance, and if I plan it in advance and I'm using a studio, 9 times out of 10 those studios have a haze machine that I can use. But when I'm on run and gun, 9 times out of 10 I'm on my one wheel with a backpack, and that's all that I carry with me. This goes in my camera bag all the time. I've used it on music videos. I used it on my most recent project, Be Creative, Make It Loud. I'll put the link in the card just up here if you want to check that out. But here's some sample footage. We was in the basement of Lampworks Studio in Birmingham in the Jewellery Quarter, and instead of using a haze machine, we used a can of this. We was only there for about 2 hours. We had 2 hours to get the shots that I needed for this project, and it was just easier to just get this out, spray it, or I believe Jared sprayed it, I think. And then he just put it down next to him and started drumming while I got the shots, and the results from it are fantastic. The flares you got from the redheads behind Jared look amazing, and it just gives it that cinematic feel. So like I said, just a quick one today, just to show off a tool in my arsenal that I personally like to have in my camera bag whenever I'm shooting some form of video. And yeah, I hope it's been beneficial. If you like what you've just listened to, or you like any of the content that's in my channel so far, feel free to press the subscribe button down below, give me a thumbs up to show your support, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye.